All right, here we are at Kersey Mobility in Everett, and we just got our first Braun power rear entry Toyota in. So we're just gonna do a little peek at it here. So it's a 2019, and it's a used chassis, XLE, moonroof, power doors, power rear hatch, power ramp, moonroof, of course, here. And our first impression is it's really nice. So we'll go around to the back here too. Look at it. The cool thing is one touch of one button does open up the power rear hatch as well as the ramp. The ramp is nice and short and also has a kneeling suspension as well, making it move better. So walking in here, there's about 24 inches between seat belts, so lots of room for somebody in a chair to go in there forward. Very flat floor too, I noticed here. So room for two, but usually one chair. Now flattens out right about here. So should be a nice ride. Of course, nice interior, nice width there. Seats. You can get OEM seats, which are going to be more comfortable. They're going to stick out more in the middle too. So probably very similar to you see the OEM seats in the front, about that distance. So you're probably looking about 17, 18 inches versus about 24, 25 inches. So. Power kneel, power ramp, and power Toyota rear hatch. You see, pretty slick. All right, black. We have a pre-dawn gray as well, and our I think our Sumner store, same package. So here we go. Just a quick little peek at. Just came off the truck yesterday, got it all cleaned up, PDI'd, and here we go. And these are the certified pre-owned by Braun. Power rear entry here at Kersey Mobility.